Hi everyone, I'm Ash.
And I'm Joe, and welcome. We thought we'll do a quick pre-quarter one 2023 earnings, sort of just quick little discussion, slight prediction of what we think is going to happen. I kind of threw Ashley under the bus here with this one, just like very last minute notice,
That's
trying to
fine.
get this done while we're both sitting here waiting for the Starship launch, which we are now at T minus 26 minutes to launch. Hopefully launch, because it
Yes.
should launch because I need to go to work. Yeah, if they launch at this time, I'll be fine because I can still see the landing before I have to leave, which would be good. If it
Okay.
gets that far, let's got high hopes, but at the same time, we could just blow up on a pad, which
Well,
would
that's
be
it. The woman just said earlier, they don't know what's going to happen. The one thing they do know is going to be exciting.
yeah. And as Elon said, the base case scenario that he hopes for is that the launch pad doesn't get blown up. Anything after
Let's hope.
that is bonus. So yeah. All right, but anyway, so Tesla predictions on a press release that they released with their quarterly numbers. They produced 440,000 vehicles and delivered 422,000, which
Correct, yes.
is a very good number in my opinion. But what I'm thinking is because of the massive price drops, margin, everybody knows margin is going to take heat, and I think this is what everybody is waiting for, is to see what is actually going to happen with margin and how much of a hit it's going to take. Honestly, I don't think I see the share price going higher after the event. I don't think that's going to happen. I reckon it's either going to stay the same or it's going to drop significantly.
It's going
At
to drop.
least
It always drops.
not always. It has in the past, like once or twice, like not done anything, but usually drops and usually drops like 5 to 10%. I think this time we could be looking at an even bigger drop, just because that margin hit. Now, I remember them saying that they're still looking at more than 20% on gross margin. And yeah, we'll see what the operating profit comes out to, because that was at what, 16% last quarter, I think.
I believe it was, yeah.
Yeah. So we'll see what that comes up to this time, and I think that's going to be the biggest factor of what is actually going to happen.
I
And
reckon you're looking at about 20%, somewhere around there.
16.8% operating margin in 2022 and 16.0% in quarter four. That's what they had last time. So I reckon that's gonna drop. I mean, I think we all know it's gonna drop. Question is by how much. Remember, if they still manage to pull it off at over 10%, that is still extremely well considering the major OEMs that hovers around 5.
Yes.
There's others that's more than 16%, like Ferrari, but that is a different ball case altogether.
Yeah, we're not talking about high-end luxury cars. We're talking about
Yeah.
high-end. Um,
Yes, exactly. Anything else you want to add on that one, Ash?
I'm busy doing loads of research while busy talking. Like you say, kind of dropping underneath the bus here. So I'm just quickly doing some research whilst I'm talking to
Yes,
you.
yes. I'm just trying to log in here quickly. Let's see where we're standing on the share price. So Tesla's currently standing at 185 flat. If we take off 10% from that, which I think it probably will drop by at least 10%, we're looking at what, 167?
Yeah, somewhere around there.
Basically, what I'm saying is I need to deposit some funds so I can buy another share once it drops.
No, I was thinking the exact same thing, but it's been an expensive month so far, so I'm gonna have to be very careful what I do.
Yeah. So I can see here in the pre-market it's gone up to 186.75. So it's gone up by 1.75. I reckon it will still keep on climbing up until the event, and then it's gonna sell.
Buy the rumor, sell the news.
That's always the case. Always the case, isn't it?
Well, sometimes it goes the other way.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Well, that's our prediction, and we'll leave you guys with a little bit of that. Just something to ponder about.
Loads to ponder about, unfortunately.
Yes. As we all know, Wall Street has a mind of their own. Don't get it, do they?
No, the general consensus is revenue should be up by about 25%. That's what I can tell from, like I said, all the things that I'm just quickly trying to scan through and see what's going off. Yeah, general consensus seems to be roughly about the same place. But yeah, I think you're right in that 10%, to be honest.
I reckon we're looking at least 10% drop because of the massive margin drop that will take place. Even though Elon said that they're willing to have zero margin in order to have the growth they require, people still not going to be happy with it. I'll be happy with it. I'm fine with that. Grow as much as you can because I want Tesla to grow. I care about the share
Exactly.
price in 10 years' time, not tomorrow.
No, tomorrow I couldn't care less about, to be
Yeah,
honest with you.
yeah. Okay, shall we wrap that up?
Yeah, can do. I think so. I didn't really have too much to say today. Apologies for that, guys. But like I said, a little bit unprepared. Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Alright, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Catch you next time.
Thanks for watching. See you soon.